for a winter destination can be challenging. Whether you are off to hit a few European Christmas markets or you're going to go hunting for the Northern Lights, there are some surprising winter travel essentials that you need to pack for an enjoyable and cozy adventure. Let's go. Today I am sharing 20 winter vacation essentials, and I bet you some of these will be unexpected. But we're going to start off with probably the most obvious essential, and that is a water-resistant down packable puffy jacket like this one from Quince. Your jacket is most likely going to be the bulkiest item that you will need for a cold weather trip. So if you can get one that has a slim fit and packs down, it will make your packing so much easier. Obviously, you are going to want to check the weather forecast before your trip to determine how heavy of a jacket you will need. This particular down puffy jacket, especially when layered over other warm layers, which we will be talking about in just a bit, should be a perfect fit for most cold weather. However, if you are going further north, like above the Arctic Circle, like we are going to be doing very soon, you might want to consider a heavier, waterproof and windproof puffy jacket or parka. I have had this Columbia OutDry jacket for over 8 years now, and it is my go-to for those very cold climates like Alaska and Iceland, and now Norway and Finland and Sweden. I did get the OutDry jacket a little bit larger, so my packable puffy layers under it very nicely. If I didn't already own this Columbia jacket, I would invest in one of their 3-in-1 interchange jackets, kind of like this one. Winter essential number 2 is a great base layering set. I love this cute merino wool set. It's super cozy, and because it's merino wool, it has natural moisture wicking properties. It draws the sweat away from your skin, so you won't get all cold and clammy. Merino wool is also naturally antibacterial, so it doesn't have to be washed every time you wear it. It's warm, soft, and thin, so it won't take up much room in your luggage. It's ideal for winter packing. But if your skin is not a big fan of wool, another option is something like these base layers from Columbia Sportswear, made with their Omni Heat Helix technology that manages the heat and airflow right next to your skin, keeping you warm and dry in the cold. I've had this particular set for about 10 years now, and they look and feel like they are still brand new. They're very lightweight and thin, just a fantastic option for winter travel. Now, before we get into the next cold weather essential, I'd like to take a minute to thank the sponsor of today's video, Happy Fruit. Happy Fruit gummies are gummies that are made with natural ingredients and are infused with premium hemp extract. They help you stay calm, relaxed, and focused. Perfect for tackling all of those unexpected moments that might come with your winter adventures. Whether you're waiting out a flight delay or winding down after a day of exploring, or just trying to catch some Z's in a new time zone or just a new bed, Happy Fruit gummies are there to help. And the best part, they're discreet, delicious, and easy to pack. So they are ideal for throwing in your personal item bag. With the busyness of the upcoming holiday season and prepping for a month-long trek around the Laplands and Scandinavia, I've been pretty stressed lately, and the Mellow Mango and Blueberry Dream gummies have been perfect for helping settle my mind at the end of the day. I usually only need about a half of a gummy, and that totally relaxes me, stops my head from spinning, and helps me fall asleep faster. And more importantly, helps me stay asleep. It has been fabulous to wake up not only refreshed, but also earlier, because I haven't been tossing and turning all night long. You do have to be over 21 to purchase the gummies, and be sure to do your research before you travel abroad with the gummies. If you're like me and love a relaxed night of sleep, give Happy Fruit hemp gummies a try. Check out the link in the description for a special discount and get ready to travel happier this winter. Winter essential number 3 is wool socks. Wool is naturally insulating even when it's wet, so your feet stay warm and dry no matter the weather. Unlike cotton, wool wicks away moisture, which helps prevent blisters during long walks. Plus, they're breathable and, most importantly, odor resistant, so you can wear them more than once between washes. Perfect for packing light. I have this basic pair of merino wool socks that are great, but I really love the colors and patterns on these wool blend socks from Amazon too. I got these last year as stocking stuffers and I wore mine all winter long. Winter travel essential number 4 is a pair of comfy and cozy boots. Winter trips usually mean a lot of walking, whether it's exploring Christmas markets or perhaps doing a trek through the snow like some snowshoeing. A good pair of insulated waterproof boots will keep your feet warm, dry, and supported, making them a must-have. You want to look for boots with good traction to help you stay stable on icy surfaces. And bonus points if they're stylish enough to transition from daytime exploring to your dinner out. After doing quite a bit of research, I have opted for these Columbia Ice Maiden boots for our Northern Lights trip. And I swear, Columbia is not sponsoring this video. They just know how to do winter really, really well. Another option I'm considering taking if I have the space are these Sorel boots that I've had for quite a number of years. It would be nice to have 2 different color of boots, but probably unnecessary. If you do want to see what I ultimately pack for our big Sweden, Norway, Finland trip, then you're going to want to make sure to hit that subscribe button below, as I am going to have a pack with me video coming out very, very soon, maybe even next week. And while we're talking about boots, winter travel essential number 5 are Yak Traks. If you're heading anywhere icy, Yak Traks are a lifesaver. These slip-on traction devices fit over your boots and help prevent slips and falls on icy sidewalks or trails, essential for staying safe and steady. They're lightweight and packable, so you can just toss them in your bag just in case. Trust me, they'll give you peace of mind when navigating unpredictable winter terrain. Back when I lived in Oregon, I always kept a pair of Yak Traks in my hiking backpack because you never knew, especially when hiking in the late fall and early spring, when you might hit icy spots on the trail. Honestly, these are one of the best winter safety equipment purchases I think I have ever made. A neck gaiter or a snood is the ultimate multitasker, and it's also winter travel essential number 6. They will keep your neck and face warm, protect you from icy winds, and double as a face mask in a pinch. Unlike scarves, they're snug and they stay in place, which is ideal for outdoor activities like hiking or skiing. Plus, many are made from moisture-wicking materials, so you stay dry even if you're breaking a sweat. Choosing a neck gaiter made from merino wool like this one will help eliminate even more bulk from your packing. Then, if it's really cold and windy, you can double up with your neck gaiter under the snood, keeping your neck and face super protected. As we all know, layering is key in winter, and that includes your hands. So winter essential number 7 are gloves, specifically glove liners and waterproof gloves or mittens. The glove liners add extra warmth and can even be worn on their own during milder winter weather, while waterproof gloves protect you from snow and slush. Together, they keep your hands toasty and dry, even in the harshest conditions. You're going to want to look for touchscreen compatible gloves or liners so you can use your phone without freezing your fingertips off. I have learned that the hard way. Winter essential number 8 is a good hat. A good hat is truly a non-negotiable for winter travel. Since you lose a lot of heat through your head, a warm hat is essential for regulating your body temperature. Bringing a second good hat means you always have a dry backup, and it's also a great way to change up your looks for photos. You want to look for hats made from wool or fleece or a combination of those two for the most warmth and comfort. Two of my most favorite hats that I wear all the time in the winter are my customized Carhartt hat that was made for me by Crafty Camper Girl, and another Columbia product, this ear flap hat that includes their Omni Heat technology inside. This hat gets my head so toasty. Unfortunately, Columbia doesn't still carry this particular hat, but I will have a similar one linked below. By the way, everything that I am talking about today, I will have linked below in the description and the first pinned comment if I can find links to them or something similar to what I am talking about. Now, moving on to winter essential number 9, sometimes a hat isn't quite enough. An ear warmer headband adds an extra layer of insulation and is perfect for protecting your ears, especially on those windy days. They're also great for active adventures like skiing or snowshoeing when you don't want the bulk of a full hat but still want to keep your ears and head warm. They are also a great option when you want to keep your hair looking, kind of cute. Winter adventures can get soggy, but water-resistant or waterproof pants will keep you dry whether you're walking in the rain or sitting on a snow-covered bench. And that is why they are winter essential number 10. Fleece-lined snow pants are especially useful for outdoor activities like sledding or hiking, where regular pants just won't cut it. And when it gets really cold and windy, you're going to want to pair those ski pants with winter essential number 11, fleece-lined leggings for extra warmth. Then you are ready for anything. Fleece-lined leggings or joggers are a cozy base layer that adds warmth without bulk. They're perfect for layering under pants or wearing on their own during more casual days. They're also super versatile, ideal for everything from lounging in your hotel room or Airbnb to heading out for a brisk walk or run in the chilly weather. You can even dress them up with our next winter essential, cashmere sweaters, for a nicer dinner out. So winter essential number 12 are cashmere sweaters, which are lightweight yet incredibly warm, making them ideal for layering. They're soft against your skin and they fold down so small, so they are very easy to pack. Plus, they add a little touch of luxury to your winter wardrobe, whether you're dressing up for dinner like I just said, or just staying cozy on a long travel day. This fall, I've been adding more cashmere to my closet after finding Quince. They have such great sustainably sourced cashmere options at incredible prices. I've gotten many different weights of cashmere, but my 3 favorites so far are this basic V-neck boyfriend style sweater that's more of a medium to lightweight cashmere. Then there's this cashmere shrunken sweatshirt, that style, that is a bit thicker. And then lastly, this super soft featherweight mock turtleneck sweater. It is so light and thin, but incredibly cozy. I really wish it came in more than 4 colors. It's for sure going to the Arctic with me. By the way, are you going on a cold weather adventure? I would love to hear about your winter travel plans, so let me know in the comments below where you're headed off to this winter. After a day out in the cold, there's nothing better than slipping into something warm and cozy, like winter essential number 13, a pair of lightweight packable slippers. These Bombas slippers are perfect for relaxing in your hotel or Airbnb. I love the cozy fleece interior and the non-slip bottoms, keeping you safe on those slippery hardwood and tile floors. They pack down so well, taking up very little space in your luggage. One of the things we, or at least I, forget when traveling to colder climates is how dry the air can be, and that cold, dry air can wreak havoc on your lips. So winter essential number 14 is adequate lip care. A gentle lip scrub will keep your lips smooth by exfoliating the dead skin. And then I like to put on a hydrating lip oil to lock in the moisture. Then you're ready for those close-up travel selfies. Together, these two will keep your lips looking and feeling their best, no matter how chilly or dry it gets. I've been using this lip scrub and lip oil combo for the past month or so, and my lips have never felt better. I just use the scrub a couple of evenings a week, and then I use the nighttime lip oil every night. It feels so decadent. Not only can that winter air be harsh for your lips, it can also be super drying for your eyes. Lubricating eye drops are winter essential number 15, and they will help keep your eyes comfortable, especially on long flights, train rides, or when you come in from the cold and windy weather conditions. They are also great if you spend a lot of time staring at a screen when you are traveling, like me. Winter essential number 16 can be a lifesaver if you're traveling to a destination with limited daylight, and that is a small travel light therapy lamp. It mimics natural sunlight, helping boost your mood and energy levels when those days are very short. Compact and portable, it's a great way to fight off the winter blues while sticking to your travel schedule. I've been using this happy light for a couple of years, and I use it mostly at home on those gray days in the winter to help get my daily dose of sunlight. I'm definitely taking this on our Northern Lights adventure, as we will be spending most of our days in the dark. We will be there during the shortest day of the year. I don't know how much sunlight we're going to get during December 21st. We will see. Cold weather and travel stress can take a toll on your immune system. So number 17 is an essential I always have in my winter kit, and that is echinacea tea and throat coat tea. Echinacea is known for supporting immunity, while the throat coat tea soothes your throat when it gets dry and scratchy, whether from dry air or if you happen to be getting a cold. Both will warm you up from the inside out on those super chilly days, and they're comforting, easy to pack, and perfect for staying healthy on the go. I'm guessing winter essential number 18 might be a new and surprising travel item to you. Did you know that cold weather can drain your phone battery faster? I ran into this a few times when skiing and snowshoeing, and I had no idea why my phone was dying so quickly. The solution? A phone koozie, which is essentially a cozy little pocket for your phone. It keeps your phone warm and helps it last longer in the cold and also hot weather. It's a simple but effective way to make sure that your phone stays powered up for photos, navigation, and emergencies. We always need to have power on our phone. And speaking of powering our phones, winter as travel essential number 19 is a portable charger. Your phone is your lifeline for navigation, communication, photos, videos, all of those things. So you don't want to let a dead battery ruin your day. You want to look for a portable charger that has enough capacity to fully charge your phone multiple times. You will thank me for that later. For daily activities, I really prefer having a magnetic portable charger like this one, so I can still use the charger port for filming if I need to. Finally, our last winter travel essential is a travel blanket or a cashmere wrap. It is a versatile must-have that will keep you warm on chilly flights or train rides, doubles as a scarf, and adds an extra layer when the temperature drops unexpectedly. Plus, it's a little touch of home comfort that makes travel feel just a little bit more cozy. If you live in one of those colder climates, let me know if I missed any crucial winter travel essentials down in the comments below, because I need to know. I'm packing for winter travel, and I'd love to know if I'm missing something. And if you are looking for some help on how to pack in a carry-on only for winter vacation, you should check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have safe, warm, and wonderful travels.